This chocolate ice cream is easy, delicious, perfect, and you need to try it today. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make this chocolate ice cream. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on post notification. These are all the ingredients you need in order for you to make your ice cream. That's our whipping cream, condensed milk, our cocoa powder, and our chocolate itself, because you can't have chocolate ice cream without chocolate itself. You get it? And this is our condensed flavor, and this is all we'll be using. So in the bowl, we're going to add a cup of our whipped cream and a cup of cold water. Then we're going to whisk this until it is puff, nice and fluffy. And this took between 10 to 12 minutes. Mind you, it is on a medium, it is not on the high side. After we've gotten this consistency, this is perfect. You don't want to over whip your ice cream or else it's going to turn to butter. Then we're going to add our cocoa powder, and then we're going to add half cup of our condensed milk to this, and also our melted chocolate. So I just added the chocolate inside hot water, and then it's just melted. Then we're just going to add our melted chocolate to this. Then I'm going to whisk this between 1 to 2 minutes. Same on a medium. You don't want to put it on the high. After that, I'm going to use my spatula to mix this. And just take a look at this consistency. Perfect. Then we're just going to put it inside our bowl. Then we're just going to heat it down to remove the hair that's trapped inside. Just like this. Then we're just going to cover, put inside the oven. Mind you, I always do this overnight, but between 6 to 8 hours, depending on how good your freezer is. Then it's just all frozen up, and then time for us to just scoop and then serve. This is easy, this is delicious. You can add anything just if you want to decorate it, depending on your preference. And at the end of the day, this is what we have. I served this with, one is with chocolate chips and the other one is with cookies. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this ice cream recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.